Hello and welcome to my channel. If you still don't know me, my name is Olga and I'm 40 years old, 40 years young. Here is the space about fashion and everything connected to fashion and style. If you are new to my channel and to this fashion small environment, please consider to subscribe. I really appreciate everybody who subscribe and support me with your likes and comments. Also, you can subscribe to my Instagram. If you are still not subscribed, there is some more fashion there. I feel that this season is about new fashion, some coziness, some treatment of ourselves. So I wanted to talk to you and show you several pieces of my closet which I got this month. November is quite dark, so I decided to have something bright on me. Now I started to think about how should I celebrate all the holiday season, what should I wear, and I planned a little bit my outfit for the next Christmas month, and let's get started. And first I want to show you the sponsor of this video. It's the brand which is called ULIVARY. I already have been collaborating with them. They have a very beautiful quality. This time I want to show you the piece which I just now got from them. It's a beautiful 3-piece set and I will just show you. It's a bathrobe and trousers and a top in the pinky one. For me it's a magical set, and look at this, it's feathers, pink feathers. This set will be for my Christmas season. Actually, I'm thinking to celebrate Christmas Eve in this set because I will be at home with my family. It's so cozy, at least in the morning I will definitely wear it. Check the site from the ULIVARY. I'm sure that they have some discounts on Christmas season. If I get some discount code, I will write it somewhere here. Also, I thought I've already got a set in white color from ULIVARY and I took it with me on some vacation, which I was on some beach vacation, and it went really good because I had it on the beach and I had it in the morning and in the hotel room. So I am this person who takes this kind of pieces with me when I go somewhere on vacation, and I also will definitely take this one on this new year because we are going to celebrate New Year in the warm countries, so it will be a good option to have it a little bit more fancier, you know, so you feel a little bit festive. I think this top you also can use like a normal top, not just like a pajamas, and the trousers also can use it just like trousers which I can have outside, not like only a pajamas. So all the ULIVARY pieces you can actually style both for outside and inside. So for me it's a very luxurious piece. It's very soft silky material and I just love it. Look on the color, it's very fantasy Christmas and New Year's fancy outfit. We will continue. Now you will ask me, of course, what it's my sweater from. It's from COS and it's 100% cashmere. It's this kind of Christmas color. I thought that I can't just pass by it, need to have it. And this sweater I also will wear probably to work a few times in this month and to give some Christmas mood to other people at my work and our clients, and also I will come back to it every season in before Christmas and before party season next year. Also, I've been quite a lot into red colors. I also bought this beautiful, how to say, boots from ZARA. Just have to show them to you. It's burgundy red boots. I already used them for outside. I will insert some pictures so you can see. I just love them. It's not a real leather, but they are good quality and they are very comfortable. The heel is not so tall. They look like a snake skin or like a crocodile skin. Burgundy and red are quite cool together, I think. I want to show you these trousers which are on me. It's from the brand COS. Also the same with the sweater. I ordered them together online and I will put you the links. I already have these trousers in a black color and in a gray color, so this is my third pair from the COS. It's wool and this beautiful color is, they called light beige, but I would say they are with some gray undertones, so they both suit to gray and to beige outfits. I love how they suit. Quite nice to have some neutral color trousers to this red color that I have on me. Then I bought a skirt. I just got it in this beautiful light beige color. It's 100% silk from ARKET. You know what? It is a maxi skirt, so it goes all the way to the floor almost. And I just love how it looks, and especially with sneakers now. Want to style it. This kind of skirt you can use for both winter and summer season, so it definitely goes with me also to vacation. Stay with me if you want to know where are we going. This skirt, for example, will be good with some knitted, like this mine from Lindex. It's almost the same color, also neutral, with my cashmere top from Lily Silk, which I have here. You see, silk with cashmere looks just amazing together. I think it also can be a very nice outfit. And also I bought a sweater from ARKET, textured sweater. It's a cotton, it's not very warm. We will see what is it. I think it's from summer collection. Mostly it's polyamide, 80% of cotton and polyamide. It's cotton and polyamide blended, and it's exactly the same color like a skirt. I love this sweater, and this because it has a big open neck. Sometimes want to have it open. These are also a good together, and this sweater goes with me also in on vacation. If you're traveling somewhere, I think it's good to have something like that, because now in winter time it can be quite chill in the evening in some countries, where during a day it's warm, but in the evening needs some long sleeve if it's closer to Europe. Also I bought trousers, which are 100% also silk. It's also ARKET, and this sweater is ARKET, and you see everything goes together. It looks like it's some capsule that I got now. It was my new vision or something. I just have a mood and then I buy several things and then I combine them together. For some reason everything goes good with each other, and then I just love to take it and wear it, or to take it to vacation or wear it during a month or two. So I just love this little my holiday capsule with all those pieces. And the trousers also, silk trousers, looks good with some knitted tops. It will be also nice with another silk top. We'll see this Lily Silk top also goes good together. And also I will show you two pieces that I got recently. I already showed you the boots from ZARA, and this piece I also got from ZARA. It's a top, it's 100% wool, and it doesn't itch, the same like this cashmere top. I love the gray now. Also gray goes good with red, gray goes good with burgundy. I styled it already. And the skirt from H&M, so it's actually also nice together. If I find it, I will put all the links down. So the skirt is something that I needed in my closet because I didn't have a gray skirt. Mostly I found out that my skirts are all silky, but I wanted something in wool or some cotton material, another texture, so this feels like I need it in my closet and to style it. I also bought one more shoes from ZARA, boots, which is real leather. They are black. I will put you the picture here. I find them quite comfortable if you want to have winter boots on some heel. I really recommend them. Also already tried to use them. Really eager for the upcoming Christmas season, looking for presents from my friends and my family, and I think you also do it. So I hope I inspired you a little bit for some ideas, and see you soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.